Welcome to CBSE English Teacher. Let's look at the line-by-line explanation of the poem Keeping Quiet from Class 12 English. Let's move on to the video now. About the poet. Pablo Neruda, 1904 to 1973, was born in the town of Parral in Chile. Neruda's poems are full of easily understood images which make them no less beautiful. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. Guidelines. Humanity today stands on the road to destruction. Misunderstanding and distrust have invaded our peace of mind. In the fast-paced life, we have no time for self-introspection. It is important to think over the causes of sadness and vacuum, feeling the major part of our existence. Theme. In this poem, Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. He discusses the need of maintaining peace and silence. He stresses upon being quiet and harmless to the human beings, animals, and environment. He suggests that in order to maintain peace and harmony, it is required to stop and introspect ourselves. Summary. The poet asks humanity to count numbers from 1 to 12. 12 being the number of hours shown in a clock or the number of months in a year. He requests everyone not to speak because languages create barriers between people. The moment when everyone stops moving their body will be very special and different, as we have never experienced such a moment before. The poet says that in this period of inactivity, the fishermen would not harm the whales. The salt gatherers will not hurt their hands. Those who are busy destroying the nature will adopt a new approach towards life. The men who are preparing for wars and victory based on deaths of innocent people will join their army and stand in unity with them, doing nothing. No one will harm himself or any other person. Everyone will unite and ponder upon his acts and realize the results of his deeds. The poet clarifies his idea and says further that he does not want that people should stand idle. He wants that there should be no war because he does not want to see trucks laden with dead bodies of the soldiers. He is promising universal brotherhood and peace. The poet says that everyone is working continuously to achieve one's goals. People are threatened by death, and the fear forces them to work endlessly so that they can achieve everything quickly. In this mad rush, they do not realize the repercussions of their actions. He wants us to pause and come out of the mad rush. He wants us to be happy about our achievements and celebrate them. He wants us to overcome the fear of death and to relax for a while. We should know the results of our deeds and celebrate our achievements. When people will remain quiet for a while, they will realize the purpose of their lives. Just like all the creations of nature undergo a rebirth with the change of seasons, similarly, keeping quiet will be a rebirth for the human soul. It will give a new meaning to our life. Again, the poet says that he will count till 12 and asks everyone to remain quiet while he leaves. Rhyme scheme. The poem is written in free verse, hence it does not follow any rhyme scheme. Now let's have a look at the line-by-line explanation of the poem. Stanza 1. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Explanation. The poet asks everyone to count up to 12 in their minds. The number 12 represents the hours of the day or the months of a year. He wants all of us to be calm and still. People across the nations have to unite together so that they shall not speak their own languages, rather, they all shall keep quiet and speak the language of silence. This will bring unity among all the humans on the face of the earth. For at least one moment, no one shall move his or her arms either to signal or to fight or argue with each other. The poet here requests everyone to count till 12 in their own minds and to stop for a while. Maybe this 12 referred by the poet is the 12 hours in the clock or the 12 months in a year. He wants everyone to stop and calm down. The poet urges everyone not to speak in any languages. As we all know that there are different languages spoken in different parts of the earth which sometimes become a barrier in our way for peace. So he asks people not to speak. Not only this, he also wants us to stop moving our arms. By using the word arms as pun, which means hands, he also means the weapons which are used by different countries to raise a war against each other. So basically, the poet is demanding peace for all of us. Literary devices. Anaphora. Anaphora is used in the lines, "Let's not speak in any language, let's stop for 1 second." Because of the two consecutive lines starting with the word let's. Alliteration. Alliteration is used in we will. Because of the repetition of a consonant sound at the start of two or more closely placed words. Here, W sound is repeated. Pun. Pun is used in the word arms because it has two meanings, that is weapons and our hands. A pun shows the different possible meanings of a word or different words that sound alike with different meanings. Stanza 2. It would be an exotic movement without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Explanation. When everything will come to a standstill, it would be a rare situation. No one will be in a rush, there will be no engines running. Everyone will be calm and quiet, united with each other in a strange atmosphere. It will be strange because it has never happened earlier. No person would be harming any other living being either for food or to earn his livelihood. All the people who work endlessly will get some time to look at their injuries and the damage they have caused to their body. The poet says that it would be a rare situation when there will be no engines working. Here he wants to say that if everything comes to standstill, it would be a very different moment. If all the engines, like the vehicles and machines, stop, then there will be a sudden strange situation as the world will experience a sudden calmness. People will not be in a rush to achieve material things one after another. Further, the poet says that the fishermen will also stop and not harm whales in the sea. This means that the poet is urging everyone not to harm the animals. Here he gives the example of whales which are being hunted for the purpose of food or trade. He also wants people to calm down so that they can stop and see what they have achieved or lost. For this, he gives the example of the man who gathers salt whose hands are hurt. Here he wants everyone to stop for a while in order to see and feel their achievements and how much they have lost for the sake of attaining such materialistic things. Literary devices. Alliteration. Alliteration is used in the words like we would, sudden strangeness and his hurt hands because W sound, S sound and H sound are repeated respectively.